So in the previous video I have explained what is one-one function or one-to-one or injective. Now here I am going to explain how many different total number of functions can be formed from a set A to set B, and it should be 1 1. We have written if f is from A to B is 1 1, then NA, number of element in set A, it should be less than equal to NB. ये कंडीशन है यहाँ पे. 1 1 तभी होगा जब नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन सेट ए इक्वल और लेस total number of element in the domain set, it should be less than equal to number of element in the codomain set. And let us suppose if set A contains P element and set B contains Q element, then number of functions from A to B, number of functions, by number of functions I mean one function, not generalized function, which I discussed in the previous video. If P is more than Q, let's say, condition is what? इसमें जो एलिमेंट है ये इससे कम होना चाहिए, पर यहाँ पे क्या है, P की वैल्यू Q से ज़्यादा है, मीन्स कि इसमें एलिमेंट ज़्यादा हो गया Q से. सो आंसर विल बी 0, मीन्स no one function will be formed. In case if set this, suppose for example set A contains 3 element and set B contains 2 elements. Now we can make different type of functions from A to B, but here we are only talking of one function. As you can very well see कि suppose if A1 is related to, क्योंकि 1 1 में क्या है, हर एक नंबर का रिलेशन एक से ही होना है. अगर A1 की इमेज B1 है और A2 की इमेज B2 है, now A3 is left out, A2 is left out, A3 is left out. So no more it is a function, and that's why I said if P is more than Q, the total number of one function formed will be 0. So at least these two sets should have equal number of elements, as the condition says 3 3 कम से कम हो, या तो इसमें एलिमेंट it should be less elements. A should have lesser element than the codomain set. Now let us take some example. Suppose we have set A contains 1 2 and B contains A B C, and function is from A to B. Now the question is, how many one functions can be formed? What is the condition? Now look, number of element in set A is 2 and number of element in set B is 3. It's perfectly okay. Number of element in set A is less than the number of element in set B. So what will be the total number of functions, one functions formed? So here this condition satisfies, so apply this formula. So number of functions formed, number of one, it will be equal to what? Here P is 2 and Q is 3. So factorial 3 upon factorial 3 minus 2. So in total we will get 6. Answer will be 6. Let us take some other example. Suppose A has A, B, C, 3 elements. B has 1, 2, 3. Equal number of elements. In this case also this satisfies equal number of elements. So apply this formula. Total number of function क्या बनेगा यहाँ पे? So if we leave factorial 3 upon factorial 3 minus 3, that is 0. Factorial 3 upon factorial 0. Factorial 0 is 1. Again answer is 6. एक और एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. इसमें लेसर था, अभी ग्रेटर कर लेते हैं. Now let us take A equals to 1, 2, 3 and 5. It has 4 elements. Now set B has 3 elements. How many one-to-one function can be formed? Number of one-to-one function formed. Answer will be what? Look, here P is 4 and Q is 3. It has 4 elements, it has 3 elements. P is greater than Q. 4 is more than 3, and therefore number of functions formed will be 0. तो इस तरीके से यहाँ पे हमें टोटल नंबर ऑफ फंक्शन one-to-one फंक्शन निकालना है जस्ट बाय अप्लाइंग दिस. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट ऑन-टू फंक्शन. ऑन-टू और सर्जेक्टिव. क्या डेफिनेशन है इसका? अ फंक्शन f from a to b is said to be onto if every element of the codomain set should have a image in the domain set. इसको एग्जाम्पल समझते हैं. कोई रूल है f रिलेट कर रहा है. नाउ a1 की इमेज b1 है, A2 की B2 है और A3 की B3 है. Now it is very much clear it is a one-one function because every element of this set is mapped to a unique element. A1 की इमेज B1 है, A2 की B2 और A3 की B3. And it is a onto function as well. Why? Because in the onto function every element in the codomain set should have a pre-image. Look, B1 is the image of A1 and A1 is the pre-image of B1. B2 is the image of A2 and A2 is the pre-image of B2. So this is 1-1 as well as onto. But suppose I write here B4, I take one more extra element. Now what is the pre-image of B4? There is no element which takes this value, and therefore it is not an onto function, because f of a1 is b1, f of a2 is b2, f of a3 is b3, but there is no element in set A whose image is b4 and therefore it is not onto. तो onto के लिए बिल्कुल नेसेसरी कंडीशन है कि इसकी भी इमेज होनी है, यहाँ पे प्री इमेज होनी चाहिए इन द डोमेन सेट. In this case we don't have, and therefore it is not a onto function. Now in the next video I will talk how many different types of onto functions from set A to B can be formed, and then one onto and about bijective function. So this will continue. Do like, share and subscribe.